Alrighty, welcome to multiplying, dividing decimal numbers using base 10 blocks. And you can see that the base 10 blocks we're going to use are the usual ones that you guys will see. We have the big 100 square, which is going to represent a whole number, so that'll be 1.0. We have the 10 strip, which is going to be worth 1/10. And we have the singles that are going to be worth 1/100th. Now if you take a look at the number I have represented here, we have 4 groups of 1, 4 groups of 1/10, and 4 groups of 1/100ths. So when we put those together, we actually have a group of 1 and 11 100ths, and we have 4 groups of that. So that gives us 4 and 44 100ths. Now one thing that we can do with this is if we're dividing, we can actually take and break these up into equal groups. So if I take and move these, my camera work is actually needing a lot of help here. You can see that I can make 4 equal groups. So if I take my 4 and 44 100ths and break it into 4 groups, or divide by 4, I have groups of 1 and 11 100ths. So I can represent either multiplication or division using base 10 blocks. Now what we're going to do is I'm actually going to give you some examples on the board, and I'm going to have you figure out what the number is, and we're going to do some multiplication and some division with those. So if you can listen to me when I give you the instructions here in a second, I'm going to have you come and get some base 10 blocks, and we're going to work with these for about probably the next half an hour. Okay? Sounds good.